Walk through any parking lot and you will see the same problem on almost every older car. Yellow, cloudy headlights. Not only does this make your car look 10 years older than it actually is, but it is also a major safety hazard. Foggy lenses can reduce your night vision by up to 80%. If you go to a mechanic or a detailer, they will charge you anywhere from $50 to $100 to restore them. Even the DIY kits at the auto parts store cost $20 and involve multiple steps of sandpaper and harsh chemicals. But the secret to crystal clear headlights is likely sitting in your bathroom right now. White toothpaste. Specifically, you need the whitening kind that contains baking soda or silica. You see, the yellow haze on your headlights isn't dirt. It is oxidized plastic caused by years of UV radiation from the sun. To fix it, you need a mild abrasive to sand down that dead layer of plastic. That is exactly what whitening toothpaste is designed to do to the enamel on your teeth. Here is the process. First, wash the headlight with water to remove any surface grit. Then, apply a generous amount of toothpaste to a microfiber cloth or an old toothbrush. Scrub the lens in a tight circular motion. You need to apply firm pressure here. You are literally polishing away the microscopic layer of damaged plastic. Keep scrubbing for about 2 to 3 minutes until the paste turns dirty and gritty. Rinse it off with water, and the difference will be immediate. The yellow oxidation will be gone, revealing the clear lens underneath. However, there is one final step that most people forget. You just stripped away the dead plastic, but you also stripped away the protection. To keep them clear, apply a layer of car wax or a UV sealant spray. If you skip this step, they will turn yellow again in a few months. Save your $50. Grab the toothpaste, and you can restore your car's face in less than 10 minutes.